So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now today we will be talking about the Jamaicans, and we will be focusing on the next Usain Bolt. Now, do we have the next Usain Bolt, or is there any male athlete from Jamaica that is proven to be the next Usain Bolt, that he is proven to have what Usain Bolt has? I'm so sad to say that we only have three male athletes that I can proudly say from that. These three athletes from Jamaica are the only athlete that are trying to prove to the world that they have what it takes to be the next Usain Bolt. They have what it takes to be the next Blake. They have what it takes to be the next Asafa Powell. So these three athletes are Kishane Thomson, Akeem Blake, and Oblique sivile. And I want to be focusing on the both three athletes. And I will be starting with Akeem Blake. Now, Akeem Blake recently won bronze medal in the indoor Glasgow championship, and this has been able to spark a lot of reaction because I heard it is the first indoor championship medal since the retirement of Blake or something like a Safa Paul, right? So a big congratulations to Jamaica. And I feel like Akeem Blake has a little bit of what it takes to become the next awesome. But I'm talking about Oblique sivile. I feel like he has a lot to improve on, because I mean, this guy is always making the podium in the big championship, but he has never in his entire career won a medal in any of this big competition. And I feel like he needs to step up his game if he wants to be the next Usain Bolt. He needs to put more effort in getting that medal, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to remember you for just making the final and just making the podium. But anyway, I'm not gonna say that Oblique sivile is not doing his best. He is trying, he is putting in the work, and I do believe that one day his luck is definitely going to shine. And let's talk about Kishane Thomson. Now, Kishane Thomson is also that athlete that is proven to be the next Usain Bolt. And Kishane Thomson, there is no doubt that he is going to be one of the best athlete in 2024, and I can't wait to see what Kishane Thomson has for this 2024 season. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section.